Hey, in this video here, we're going to celebrate the 4th of July together. Let's go take a walk. One thing that we should all be proud of is living in this beautiful country of ours, the United States of America. And here in the 4th of July, celebrating it in Star, Idaho with family and friends. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the patriotism that's found here in Star, Idaho. Let's take a walk and take a look. What is the 4th of July? What is it?
4th of July is celebrating the Lord. Yeah. Happy birthday, America!
Yeah! Oh yeah. The paparazzi. Hey.
All right, come on, let's see some energy. Let's go.
Hey there, right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. There ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. There ain't no doubt.
The brave men, living and dead, who struggled here, have consecrated it far above our poor power to add or detract.
Without all this hate, but another villain's born for every person that he saves. Don't that sound great? Just another day.
Woo! Well, I'll tell you what. That was quite the day. I mean, we had an absolute blast being here in Star, Idaho with my son, my daughter-in-law, our 2 grandsons, and some friends. Was a wonderful time. From the beginning of the parade to the end of the fireworks celebration, I love everything about the 4th of July. I love everything about our country. I hope you do as well. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep dreaming and travel safe. Happy birthday, America.